So hey, and what's up guys, welcome to Weird. And so guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited virtual numbers for your Telegram, for your WhatsApp, for any kind of social stories. I will let you know. So guys, make sure to subscribe our channels if you are new here. So let me first to show you, this is not the old video, this is the current video. You can see the today's time, 29th April, and it's 5:42 already. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited virtual numbers for your Telegram and WhatsApp. If you are in another country, then you can able to get it. Okay, so first of all, you need to join our Telegram channel. So make sure to join this channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel on the Telegram as well. Here I put the daily notification, daily new messages. So you can see this kind of countries available for the Telegram numbers. Okay, so let's say if I want Nigerian number. Okay, you can see here the Nigerian country. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the Google. I will put this link on the description. So if you want to open this link, you can just open the description and you can simply open this site. Okay, so as soon as you will open this link, you just need to click on this buy virtual number, and you can see this kind of categories, this kind of services are available. Okay, so let's say Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram. If someone wants Gmail account, someone wants LinkedIn account, then Canva accounts, these are very cheap rate accounts. If you compare the real price of particular website and if you can compare with us, then you will find the difference. Okay, so let's say there are Netflix accounts available as well, then there are Canva accounts available as well. Okay, so let's first start with the Telegram account. So let's say if I want the Telegram account from the Nigerian country. Okay, and let's say I want let's say I want 2 months back original 2 month back Nigerian account. Okay, so what I just want the older account, I don't want the fresh account. So let's say you just need to click on this older account. Okay, and here you can see, if you are an Indian, then you can pay via UPI. Then there are two more options available, like pay via PayPal. You can click here as well. And if you want to pay via crypto, if you are in another country, like you are not able to pay in Indian, then you can pay via crypto as well. Here you can find all the related addresses as well. Okay, so let's say here are the addresses, and you just have to copy the address and you need to pay. Okay, so let's say I am right now I am in India. So let's say I have, okay, here as soon as you will click on the pay via UPI, you will find out the screenshot here, the QR screenshot. You just need to pay on this QR. Okay, simply. So as this is my website only, this is handled by 3-4 developers. So what we do, you just need to click on, like, as soon as you pay on this QR, you need to capture the screenshot. Guys, don't forget to capture the screenshot. Okay, you need to capture the screenshot, and as soon as you capture the screenshot, you just need to click on this I have made the payment. And let's say if you did something wrong, don't put wrong images, don't put fake images. Okay, so if you've already paid, like if website get crashed, or if someone's site get reload, then you can click here as well, like click here if you have already paid. And if you are not able to pay, you can simply click on this button. So let's say I have already made the payment. Okay, so you just need to click on this and continue. You just need to click on this continue to chat. Okay, so let use WhatsApp. Okay, if you want to open in mobile, then you will redirect to directly your WhatsApp. Okay, so let's say starting chat. Hi, you just need to click here, I already paid. Okay, and you just need to capture the screenshot. Let me put my screenshot. Let's say I have put this screenshot. Let's say I have sent 1000 rupees in INR. You can pay via any payment method. Okay, so as soon as you will pay, you need to wait here. Okay, admin or developer will confirm your transaction. You just need to wait here. Okay, so as you can see, our transaction is already confirmed. Okay, so it will ask like what kind of services we want. So you have to type here, like I want Telegram, I want a Nigeria country with last 1 month old or something. Okay, so you just need to wait here. Okay, so as soon as, like, it will hardly take 2-3 minutes to give you a number. Okay, so let's say your word. Okay, so our virtual number for Telegram is ready to use. So let's say I will copy this number or I will just type it here. Okay, let me open one web telegram. I open the incognito mode. Let me show you. And many guys think like I have already logged into this telegram, so let me show you. See, I have two users, one man army which is my main telegram account, and this is my different, both are an Indian number. Okay, and I am going to log in on this telegram account which I got from this WhatsApp number. So 234 8034 188 156. So as soon as you click on next, it will ask for you to, it will ask for one code. Okay, so again you need to go to your WhatsApp and you need to ask here for the code. What is my code? Okay, so what it will do, it will just give you a code and you just need to wait here. It will just give you a code. So as you can see, we have received the code. So let me just copy it and let me paste it here. As you can see, now it's asking for the password. So what is my password? Again same thing, you just need to wait here. So as you can see, we have received the password as well, 0015, and you just need to click next. So boom guys, you can see I received this number. As you can see that I received the number. Now as you can see, we have logged into this Nigerian account. I received my number. Now if you want the fresh account, like it created in like 15-20 days or 1 month back, then you just need to pay 500 rupees as per the site. And if you want older account, okay, if you want the old account, then you need to pay according to this website. Okay, now you can see there are a lot of services available, like if you need particular WhatsApp, or if you need a customization. Let's say if you want a particular country, China, Japan, or any other country, any specific, South Africa, any Indonesia, any country, you just need to click on this. And you just need to click on this, I need a customization, and you need to click again here. It will redirect you to WhatsApp, and there you can mention like I want particular this country and this much old number. Okay, so same service for Instagram, Gmail, LinkedIn. We have all the services available. You just need to click particular if you as per your requirement. Okay, so guys, make sure to comment on my YouTube channel if you received your number. Okay, and if you found any kind of problem, okay, you can directly click on this WhatsApp number. As you can see, all these three are redirected to the WhatsApp only. So you can directly and if you find any problem, you just comment on this WhatsApp number. Okay, you can just let me know if you find any problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Guys, let's meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.